This is so pretty. It truly is beautiful. But it's March 16th. It's the middle of March. And it's snowing in Alabama. I'm making my way down to the pond. Almost there. I'm being very careful with my steps because the ground is very soft. And muddy from the thunderstorms we had last night. You hear my boots squishing in the mud. Alright, here's the pond. And all the brush and trees that I need to burn eventually. Look at that. Sure is pretty. You can really see my paths now, my trails. Get a little closer. Now you can really see where the water starts and stops. Sure is pretty. Hope you're having a blessed day and staying warm.